Life is like a rainbow. You need both rain and sun to make its color appear. This is a quote regarding life, which is explained with the meaning of rainbow. So, what is rainbow? We have seen rainbow once in our life, I guess. Yeah, so rainbow is continuous spectrum of colors. It is also considered as a symbol of hope and beauty and good fortune in various cultures around the world. They are often associated with positive emotions and joy. It displays a stunning range of colors, typically in order of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The smooth transition between these colors creates a mesmerizing sight. It's a kind of unique personal experience for each person, as each person sees a slightly different rainbow because of its dependent on their individual position and a viewing angle. This makes the experience of witnessing a rainbow a personal and unique to each observer. Under certain conditions, we also see double rainbows, which are two concentric arcs, and the primary rainbow is brighter while the secondary rainbow appears to be fainter. It's a glorious phenomenon. If you are lucky, you might observe a rare atmospheric phenomena called a glory. It appears as a set of colored rings surrounding the shadow of an object when sunlight is scared back towards the observer by tiny water droplets in the atmosphere. So let's see how this meteorological process of rainbow is formed. The
in
rainbows are
upcoming
formed
slides.
when sunlight interacts with water droplets in the air. Here's a step by step explanation of how rainbow is formed. So first is sunlight. When the process starts, it begins with the sunlight, which is combination of different colors at wavelengths of light. Sunlight appears white to our eyes because it contains all the colors of the visible spectrum. Second is refraction of light. So when sunlight encounters a water droplet in the air, it slows down and changes direction as it enters the droplet due to the change in density. The change in direction is known as refraction. Then is dispersion. Once inside the water droplet, the light undergoes dispersion, which means it gets split or separated into its component colors. This happens because different wavelengths of light bend at different angles as they pass through the droplet. Then internal reflection. After dispersion, the rays bounce off inside surface of the water droplet. Some of the rays reflect back into the droplet while others exit the droplet. Then refraction again. The reflected rays undergo refraction once again as they leave the droplet and re enter the air. They change direction once more due to the change in density. Then angular separations. As the light exits the droplet, different colors of light spread out at different angles. This angular separation creates a circular arc of colors. That is, separation of colors is happening, and you see a rainbow. The light rays continue to undergo a multiple reflections and refractions inside the droplet, causing the colors to overlap and intensify. The result is a semicircular band of colors with red on the outer edge and violet on the inner edge. The observer's perception is also important. To see a rainbow, observer needs to be positioned between the sunlight and the water droplets. The sunlight enters the droplets and creates the rainbow, which appears as an arc in the sky opposite to the sun. So it's important to know that for a rainbow to form, there must be a source of light, such as sun. There must be rain or other water sources for water droplets in the air. The size and shape of the water droplets, as well as the angle between the sun and the droplets and the observer, determines the appearance of a rainbow. Remember, while this explanation provides a general understanding of rainbow formation, this process itself involves a complex interaction between light and water droplets, resulting in